children, how are you? Hope you are safe at home. Today we are going to learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words that connect or link phrases, sentences, and clauses. There are many conjunctions, but today we are going to learn conjunctions when and while. We use when and while when two things are happening at the same time. Shall we discuss using examples? First, we'll see how to use when. Now look at our first example. The baby was sleeping. At the same time, the father arrived home. Here, the baby was sleeping is a long continuous action and the father arrived home is a short action. So, we can say like this. The baby was sleeping when the father arrived home. See, when is used before the short action here. Let's look at another example. The teacher asked a question. Then the students raised their hands. Here you can see one action follows another. Second sentence happens because of the first sentence. Shall we combine these sentences? When the teacher asked a question, the students raised their hands. When the teacher asked a question, the students raised their hands. Let's move to another. She was a child and she wanted to be a doctor. Here we use when to discuss a particular age or a period of time. We can say when she was a child, she wanted to be a doctor. When she was a child, she wanted to be a doctor. Also, we can use when like this. My father takes us to the park. He is on a holiday. Can you see an exact time is mentioned here? At that point of time. Let's combine like this. My father takes us to the park when he is on a holiday. My father takes us to the park when he is on a holiday. Now let's move to conjunction while. Now look at this. I was walking along the road and I saw an accident. I was walking along the road and I saw an accident. Here, the first one is a long continuous action and second one is a short action. How can we combine these sentences? While I was walking along the road, I saw an accident. We can combine like this. While I was walking along the road, I saw an accident. Here you can see while is used before the long action. Another example. My sister is studying. At the same time, my brothers are watching TV. Here, both, both sentences are long actions. Now we can use while anywhere. My sister is studying while my brothers are watching TV. My brothers are watching TV while my sister is studying. Okay, children, hope you have understood how to use conjunctions when and while. As we have discussed, we use conjunctions when and while when two things happening at the same time. Remember, children, we always use when with the short action and while with the long continuous action. Hope you have understood. Now let's move on to your pupils book. Page number 56, activity 8. Read these sentences. There were no humans on Earth when dinosaurs lived on it. While dinosaurs were living on Earth, a huge meteoroid crashed into it. See how the conjunctions are used here. Here's the activity 8. Join these sentences with when. First one. I visited the museum. I saw a skeleton of a whale. How can we write? When I visited the museum, I saw a skeleton of a whale. Another way, I saw a skeleton of a whale when I visited the museum. Second one, Christopher Columbus landed in the Bahamas. He thought he was near China. How can we combine? When Christopher Columbus landed in the Bahamas, he thought he was near China. Is it clear to you all? Now you have to combine these sentences using while. First one. I was looking at the sky. I saw a shooting star. How can we write? While I was looking at the sky, I saw a shooting star. Another way. I saw a shooting star while I was looking at the sky. Second one. The earth revolves around the sun. It rotates around itself. How can we write that? The earth revolves around the sun while it rotates around itself. Now let's move on to your workbook activity, page number 38, activity number 5. You have to complete this all alone. That's about conjunctions. Hope you can use conjunctions properly. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.